In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OSNAP for precise drawing Object Snap tutorial. Object Snap, or OSNAP, is the key to drawing with confidence in AutoCAD. It tells the software exactly which geometric point you want, so instead of guessing where an endpoint or midpoint is, your cursor locks onto it. This removes guesswork, speeds up your workflow, and keeps your drawings accurate. Start by opening your drawing in AutoCAD. Look down at the status bar along the bottom of the screen and make sure the Object Snap button, labeled OSNAP, is visible. The status bar is where AutoCAD keeps quick toggles for drafting aids, and OSNAP is one of the most important. If your bar looks crowded or you're on a smaller display, it may appear compressed, so take a moment to ensure you can see the OSNAP control clearly. Seeing it there makes it easy to check whether snapping is active before you start drawing or editing. Next, press F3 to turn Object Snap on. When OSNAP is active, the icon highlights, giving you a visual confirmation. Pressing F3 again toggles it off, which is handy when you need free movement. A quick habit to build is to glance at the OSNAP icon before you place points. With it on, as you move your crosshairs near a target, you'll see a marker and tooltip pop up, like endpoint, midpoint, or center, confirming exactly what AutoCAD will use. Now, right-click the OSNAP icon on the status bar and choose Settings. This opens the Drafting Settings window, which is where you control which snap points AutoCAD will recognize. Think of this as customizing how smart your cursor is. In the Object Snap tab, check the snap modes you want AutoCAD to detect. The most commonly used and a great starting set are endpoint, midpoint, center, intersection, and perpendicular. Endpoint snaps to the exact ends of lines or arcs. Midpoint snaps to the exact middle of a segment. Center locks to the center of circles and arcs. Intersection finds the precise crossing of two objects. Perpendicular ensures a perfect 90-degree relationship to another object. Choose only what you truly need. Fewer active modes mean fewer on-screen suggestions and faster decisions. You can always return and adjust these if your work changes. Once those are set, move around your drawing and watch for the small glyphs and tooltips. If you see too many competing suggestions, reduce the active snaps in the same settings window. And remember, OSNAP stays on until you toggle it off, so you'll have consistent precision across commands. That's all you need to start drawing precisely with OSNAP. Turn it on, set the right snap modes, and let AutoCAD do the targeting for you.